respect to the mosque in New York, I think I've been pretty clear on my position here, and that is that this country stands for the proposition that all men and women are created equal, that they have certain inalienable rights. One of those inalienable rights is to practice their religion freely. Now, as we move to implement this rule, however, we've been mindful that there is another principle at stake here, and that's the principle of religious liberty, an inalienable right that is enshrined in our Constitution. Because when I think about what it means to be a Democrat in this day and age, I start with the basic proposition that we are all created equal, that we're all endowed by our Creator with certain inalienable rights.
Senegal, as far as it is concerned, is a very tolerant country which does not discriminate in terms of inalienable rights of the human being.
Firm in the belief that all men and women are in fact created equal, each individual possessed with a dignity and inalienable rights that cannot be denied. That is why we look to the independence and sovereignty of Estonia are timeless and inalienable. But the people of the Baltic nations also knew that freedom needs a foundation of security. So you reached out to join the NATO, and we believe in democracy. That the only real source of legitimacy is the consent of the people. That every individual is born equal, with fundamental rights, inalienable rights, and that it is the responsibility of governments to uphold these rights. It reminds us that the history of America doesn't belong to one group or another, it belongs to all of us. That idea, this experiment, built on a shared story of people bound together by shared ideas, shared ideals, certain inalienable rights of equality and justice and liberty for all people. We broke the old aristocracies, declaring ourselves entitled not by bloodline, but endowed by our Creator with certain inalienable